This is what we get when we estimate return of present time on its first leg and the square of its first leg. To test the efficient market hypothesis, we need to test two conditions. The two slope beta 1 and beta 2 both must equal 0. There are two restrictions, so we will do an F-test. The F statistic is about 2.16.